city rhythm, the concrete beat. I'm packing my gear and I'm hitting the street. Another meeting, another screen, living life through a flickering cold machine. But I know the trail by the feel of the bark. I'm here to tread light and to leave not a spark. The percolator rhythm, a steady beat. The bushcraft life makes the day complete. The laundry member steps taken long before. I'm just a wanderer knocking on an open door. My mind's a kaleidoscope, bright and fast, but out here on the trail the peace will last. Forget the doom scroll, let the signal die. There's a broader focus beneath the open sky. It's the ADH me, a flavor of my own, and I'm finally feeling like I'm finally home. It's just me, the stove and the morning light, watching the bubbles dancing just right. Up through the stem, a pressurized flow, the cycle of the water, rhythmic and slow. It's a boiling rush, a manic climb, but it settles down one drop at a time. The percolator pulse, the Blindguy beat. The bushcraft life makes the day complete. I got that black gold fever running through my veins. I'm a Canuck in the woods, breaking all the chains. Spin the bucket, centrifugal force, center in the ground, I'm holding my course. I hate the bitter taste, yeah, it burns like hell, but I love the heat, the jolt, and that morning glory smell.
Something about the caffeine in a coffee. Smell in the morning. There's a proper perking.
Sharpening my forest steel, acting like a fool, but nothing happens round here till the coffee follows rule. If the coffee doesn't hit, then the whole trip will fail. I'm winning every race on this liquid engine trail, from the valley to the ridge, yeah, the kettle's on the flame. If you aren't drinking coffee, are you even in the game? The fire's always open, pull a log and take a seat. We're sharing stories, warmth and the heat. If you pour the very last drop, the chores finally thine. A long-held camp tradition, yeah, it's how we survive. Come sit by the fire, let the world just fade. In the warmth of the coffee, and the friends we've made, join in the hum, let your spirit be free. There's a place at this table for you and for me.
It's almost time.
There it is, the heat, the dark, the soul of the trail. A moment of peace that will never fade.